The Animal-Saving Power of Veganism. How does veganism save animals? For many people around the world, veganism is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle that helps them cut back on animal use and ensure environmental stability. But is veganism really an answer to how we can secure non-human lives with a healthy environment? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to the Vegan Alternative. In today's video, we are going to share with you how animals are being tortured to meet human demands and the ways veganism saves the farm animals. But before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. The formal definition by Vegan Society suggests that veganism is a philosophy and way of living which seeks to exclude all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose as far as is possible and practicable. This lifestyle approach also promotes the development and use of animal-free alternatives for the benefit of animals, humans, and the environment. In dietary terms, veganism denotes the practice of dispensing all products derived wholly or partly from animals. Summarizing this definition, it can be inferred that the central focus of veganism is animal welfare. According to a rough estimate, approximately 200 million land animals are slaughtered for human needs around the world every single day, making it 72 billion a year. Vegans believe that animals don't deserve this cruel behavior, as they are much more intelligent and complex than most people realize. It is said that on the killing floor, many animals become conscious and struggle to escape while their throats are about to be cut. Some of them are still conscious while their bodies are hacked apart, or when they are dunked into tanks of scalding hot water. Supporters of veganism believe that whenever animals are killed for human use, they feel it deeply. Vegans see all animals as living beings we should respect, not as objects for us to use. To meet the needs of humans, animals are forced to live in inadequate conditions that not only hurt them, but also violate their rights. For example, on factory farms, different animals are forced to reside in cramped conditions, often in windowless sheds without any natural sunlight, fresh air, and grass. These conditions are breeding grounds for various disease outbreaks that are harmful to animals as well as to humans, and can only be reduced with the use of strong drugs. All in the name of producing meat and dairy products as cheaply as possible, many of the natural instincts and needs of animals are denied. Due to this, many animals die before they leave the farm, and for the rest, a brutal death awaits at the slaughterhouse. Different animal industries pose different levels of threats to animals. For example, the dairy industry, which is horrifically cruel to animals. Dairy cows face a lifetime of forced impregnation, having their babies taken away from them to stop calf rearing and making them more productive through selling their milk. And after that, when they are no longer considered profitable, they are sent to the slaughterhouse. Female babies are also likely to face a similar fate as their mothers. But if they are male, they are either killed shortly after birth or exported to other countries to be slaughtered for consumption. Similarly, the life of chickens in the egg industry is short and miserable. Their lives begin at hatcheries, after which the females will go to farms, and the males are seen as useless byproducts, which are usually gassed to death at a day old or minced while still alive and fully conscious. Vegans reject all these types of animal exploitation and promote animal rights. But the question is, how do they do so? Well, one person going vegan to protect animal rights might not make any difference, but it would have a direct impact. If a person goes vegan, he would contribute towards saving hundreds of animals every year. Not only this, but it would also inspire other people to go vegan and choose to save animal lives. Therefore, due to the reduced demand for animal food, as well as the increased demand for plant-based products, fewer animals will be raised and slaughtered for food and clothes. Enjoying the video so far? Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. You'll only get smarter, and it's free. Because the body systems of animals and humans are similar in many aspects, many animals are tortured in lab testing to check the effectiveness of a drug for humans. Animals endure chemicals being injected into their bodies, dripped into their eyes, forced down their throats, or forced up their nostrils. They are even addicted to drugs and forced into ingest toxic substances. Experimenters also conduct repeated surgeries on them, crush their spines, and implant wires in their brains, and after all these painful procedures, they are usually dumped back into a cage without any painkillers. Not only this, but there are some experiments US law allows animals to be shocked, burned, poisoned, isolated, drowned, starved, brain damaged, and addicted to drugs. Even when alternatives to the use of animals are available, no one considers using them. Vegans openly oppose this behavior as they believe that when we as humans can't bear this all, then who are we to do this to animals? According to them, when there are options for using human volunteers, synthetic membranes, cell and tissue cultures, scanning technologies, statistics, and computer models, doing animal testing is intolerable. The laws must support the rights of animals and ban animal testing. Clearing forests for feeding animals takes away the habitat of many other species, ultimately putting their lives at risk. The report says that animal agriculture is the biggest driver of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, which houses over 10% of the Earth's biodiversity. By leaving animals off of our plates and reducing demand for animal products, you will take away the common incentive to destroy forest habitats for animal pasture, therefore protecting the farm animals as well as the wildlife. Besides choosing a vegan diet, you can also do many other things for saving animal lives. You can volunteer with animal protection organizations to raise awareness of the cruelties of factory farming, and to end animal suffering on farms. You can also serve the animals at pet shelters and animal sanctuaries and can get a chance to hang out with some super cute animals saved from a lifetime of pain. Likewise, donating to animal rights and environmental organizations and being on the front lines of the animal rights movement can help. You may also promote vegan businesses and restaurants for making veganism a trend to save animal lives. The lack of access to fresh products and other healthy options mostly impacts lower-income communities. Therefore, going vegan may be significantly harder to such individuals. So if you want to make veganism a trend, contribute towards making vegan food easily accessible. You may also create a vegan mini pantry in your neighborhood, full of yummy vegetables, greens, and other vegan options, to make vegan foods easily available for other people. Another option to motivate people to go vegan and save animals is mass knowledge through the media. Share posts to inform about the unhealthy effects for non-vegan approaches towards the environment and non-human beings, as well as the health benefits of veganism. Media influences people a lot, so this might be your most counted contribution to protecting animals and the environment they are living in. So, in a nutshell, a non-vegan attitude is not only harmful to the farm animals, but also the wildlife. It also affects the environment and the climate of the earth, making it unbearable for every life. Going vegan, however, will help not only protect the animals from bloody and brutal death at the slaughterhouse, but also reduce our carbon footprint on Earth. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends to make veganism a trend. Also, make sure to check out other videos on our channel as well. Thanks for watching!